right of us, Spice Island. Over there, Sir Walter Raleigh lands the first tobacco, potatoes and spice plants when it comes back from the Americas in the late 1500s. Years later, they are pressed down. Hundreds of men and boys into the Navy from here. And quite a lot of these guys don't come back. It was such a brutal way of life back then. Really were lucky to survive on a year. So there goes the St. Clair. She just come across on a 45-minute trip from Ishbourne, the other one. We're just heading into Millwall Quay, shops, cafes, bars and restaurants. Now if you want to get off here, you can. You've then got to walk 5 minutes back to the dockyard. You can't get back on board the boat later. Otherwise stay on board. We're here for 10 minutes. I'll drive you back. If you are leaving here and now, could you just check you've got all the belongings and possessions before the boarding? From the crew, myself, thank you. We're coming forward this afternoon. If you did and if you wish, they do have a little thank you tin. Take great care as you step off this vessel. And remember, if you would prefer the dockyard, just stay on board the boat with us, please.